Hello folks. In this video, I will talk about Taenia solium. What is Taenia solium? Taenia solium is a parasitic infection caused by a tapeworm species, and there are 3 types of Taenia parasites. Taenia solium, also known as a pork tapeworm. Taenia saginata, or a beef tapeworm. And finally, Taenia asiatica, or an Asian tapeworm. But in this video, I will only talk about Taenia solium. Alright, so Taenia solium is from kingdom Animalia, phylum Platyhelminths. And platyhelminths can look like this, and this. Aren't they adorable? But unfortunately, we are not going to review those cute flatworms. But instead, we are going to review more specifically flatworms from order Cestota, where Taenia solium belongs. And they look like this. Not that adorable, right? And trust me, it is not only their looks that is not adorable. But I am going to explain later in the video why. Nervous system. The simplest animals with associative activity in the nervous system are the free-living flatworms. Running down the bodies of these flatworms are 2 nerve cords, from which peripheral nerves extend outwards to the muscles of the body. The 2 nerve cords converge at the front end of the body, forming an enlarged mass of the nervous tissue that also contains interneurons with synapses connecting neurons to one another. This primitive brain is a rudimentary central nervous system and permits a far more complex control of muscular responses than is possible in cnidarians. Taenia solium lacks a digestive system, and also a circulatory system. Alright, let's look more closely to their structure and life cycle. So, this is an animated diagram of Taenia solium. This on the very top is called rosatellum, and it is surrounded by hooks. And those are the suckers. This is the neck. And the whole structure is called a scolex. Down the neck, we can see the budding zone, more specifically, the immature proglottids. Later in the video, I will show you the mature proglottids. Alright, it's time to explain the not that complicated life cycle Taenia solium has. It all starts with a larva, also called cysticercus. It enters the human body, which is the definitive host. It goes down the esophagus, then the stomach, and its final stop, the small intestine. The cysticercus, or the bladder worm, becomes this shape. And then it starts to form this shape with the 4 suckers. And its final look is this. You can see the immature proglottids, as well, in the mature ones. And the structure on the bottom, the gravid proglottids, is where the fertilized eggs are. This is the uterus. Taenia solium includes both male and female reproductive organs. A mature Taenia solium can reach up to 5 meters. The suckers of Taenia solium attach to the wall of the intestine. And the fertilized eggs find their way out through human defecation. And this is how it finds its way to the intermediate host, the pig. When the pig consumes grass that contains Taenia solium eggs, they go into the pig's stomach. Let me note here that Taenia solium can reach maturity only in the human body, and it remains in an egg form in the pig body. Taenia solium eggs contain an oncosphere that is released from the eggs. The pig's gastric juices dissolve the eggshell of the oncosphere, and a hexacanth remains, which has 3 pairs of hooks, in total, 6. The hexacanth will attach to the wall of the small intestine of the pig, thankfully, to the hooks. And it will go in the bloodstream and end up in the pig muscles, which we consume, and if we undercook our meat, we will get infected with Taenia solium. And then the cycle will repeat. And yeah, I know medium rare steaks sound so yummy, but better. Don't eat medium rare, okay? Just don't. According to WHO, the World Health Organization, people from low and lower middle income countries such as Africa, Asia, and Latin America get the most affected. And here is what Taenia solium causes. It causes the disease cysticercosis, which affects the human brain muscles and tissues, and if untreated it can be fatal. The symptoms are abdominal pain, seizures, headaches, nausea, diarrhea or constipation, and may include chronic headaches, blindness, and meningitis. You might have gotten scared a little bit, especially when you heard fatal. But don't worry, fortunately, there is treatment, which includes single doses of praziquantel, niclosamide, and albendazole. And that is all about Taenia solium. Thank you for watching.